Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this ponytail. Yes, okay, so today we will be using our Model synthetic crochet hair. This is also used as braiding hair as well. This is 1B 22 inches. It is called Water Wave, and I only paid $6.99 for this hair. We will also be using our pink Detangler brush. I got this brush from Sally's. I believe it was like $6. I'll drop it below. Also, my favorite gel, the Eco Styler gel. And I do have a few bobby pins that I'll use. So we're going to get into the video. So my hair is freshly washed. I wanted to make sure that my hair was nice and clean when applying new product to my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my hair. It'll just make it easier for me to part and apply the gel. So now that my hair has been brushed, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off in 2 sections. This is just making it easier for me to apply the gel in my hair. I sometimes like to apply just a small amount to my hair and brush it in, especially at the top, because you guys will see later in the video I accidentally cut one of my braids when taking down my sew-in, so like one side is a little bit short. So just wanted to make sure that my hair at the top had enough styling gel just to make sure that everything laid down and it was really slick. So we're just gonna continue to watch. Y'all will see what I'm talking about. All finished with the top of my hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and break down the back of my hair in 2 sections and then bring it all together. So I wanted to speed this up because we kind of already seen this process, so just stay tuned. This is what my hair looks like when all the gel has been applied. I'm just going to take a small piece of fabric and I'm just going to tie my hair down to make sure everything stays in place. So this is what the hair looks like. It's very polished. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of edge control on my edges just to give it that sleek look. So here is the final look for our ponytail. I always like to spray oil sheen at the end, especially when I do protective hairstyles, just to make sure that my hair as well as the synthetic hair has oil. It gives it like a really nice polished look. So here it is, a quick 5-minute ponytail, but guess what? You guys get a 3-for-1 with this style. So you guys already seen what the ponytail looks like. This is the finished product. No hair is showing. It looks very polished and natural. So the next hairstyle, style number 2, is going to be the big fluffy bun. I love the bun. The bun is so cute and it's super easy. It takes less than a minute. All you have to do is wrap the hair around, and you can put 1 to 2 bobby pins in there depending on how big it is, and boom, voila, magic. That is so cute. You get a 2-for-1, a 5-minute ponytail with a 1-minute bun. That's a deal right there, baby. So for our final style, I'm going to do this mohawk updo bun. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to take the hair, I'm going to twist it a little bit, and I'm just going to wrap it into like a small bun, but just enough so that the rest of the hair is flowing in my face. I love this hairstyle. I don't necessarily know exactly what it's called, but I see a lot of girls wear their natural hair like this, and I think it is so beautiful. It is so cute. The front of the hair was giving me some challenges, but it's okay because I worked that thing out. It took me a minute, but I got it together. But this hairstyle is beautiful. I love seeing natural girls wear their hair like this. It's just so quick and easy, and it's just so classic. Like, I just love it. But that is it. Those are the 3 ways that I like to style my braiding hair. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.